Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a cartoon of yourself on TikTok. So if you want to get this cartoon filter on TikTok, then let me show you how to do this. So to create this video trend, you need TikTok and you need Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In the TikTok app, you're searching for the following account, Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page for that account. Now stay till the end of this video as that filter will appear right here. For now, I'll use it for my favorites. So this is the type of video which we're going to create. You're going to add a picture of yourself and then you'll see yourself as a cartoon version. So go ahead and tap on Capcut Cartoon Characters. Then tap on Use Template in Capcut. Go ahead and tap on Use AI Template. Now you want to go ahead and take a picture of yourself. Tap Next. And then you want to let Capcut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it a few minutes. And there you go. Once the effect has been applied, it'll play the video for you. So as you can see, this is your real life, and then you get yourself as a cartoon version. So once you're happy with that, tap Export here at the top right, then tap Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video into TikTok. Go ahead and tap on Next. Add your captions, edit your cover page, and then go ahead and post this to your TikTok account. So for those of you who are trying to find this filter, go ahead and visit Test the Simple Dad on TikTok, and in the video section, you'll see the cartoon filter right here. Go ahead and tap on this, and then go ahead and tap on cartoon characters, and then go ahead and follow the instructions on this video. So there you go, guys. That is how to change yourself into a cartoon character on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.